So if you want to get around the Philippines, bike is pretty good. Everybody rides a scooter. You just have to turn around and make sure you check the right one you want. So we've got a 125 here, which is pretty cool. It's a nice bike. It's about 90,000. Tyres are okay. Getting it vulcanised is pretty good if you get a puncture. Engine, you need to turn around and change the oil every 3,000–4,000 kilometres. I do the coolant, the gearbox oil and the engine oil all at the same time. Price wise, it's 650 peso. £9 or $11, and the labour is 250 peso, which is about £2. But the automatic scooters very, very popular. If you're living in the provinces and you want one of these beasts, but I can't ride one of these because I have to change gear, and my coordination between my head, my body and my ankle is a bit dodgy, because many years ago I had a Ducati 996 yellow and I was hit by a van in Falmouth in Cornwall under a bridge. Spent a long time in traction and putting some plates in my ankle. Hey ho, that's life. Yeah. I have a really, really good selection here. Really good selection. Some of the other branches I've been to, they're all outside. They're all covered in dust. They're all, yeah, but at least you can actually see what you're actually going to get. They have a big storage area out the back. But you come in, you talk to the salesman, you turn around and put your deposit down, go into the cashier over there. Young lady over there will make you a cup of coffee. She'll turn around and tell you got a couple of weeks, then you come back, pay all your money, or you do your utang, your loan, and each month you make that payment. Then they'll turn around and register it, and if they've sold lots of bikes, you'll get your registration done really quickly. If they haven't sold a lot of bikes, they'll wait until they can go down to the LTO, register 8, 9, 10 bikes at a time. So it can take up to a month to get your bike registered. But like, share, subscribe. Have a look at the dancing policeman. He came over to check my bike. So and they were fooling around on camera. Life is so simple. There we go, the PNB.
Yeah.
The buddies of. Yeah. Juba. Oh, there we go. Very nice bike. Look at this.
I'll be back later.
Oh, you'll be back.
Yeah.
Look at that. Very, very nice.
Yeah.
Sexy bike.
Sexy bike.
Sexy boogie.
Boogie.
Yeah. Okay, so see you. ADV 160. Very, very nice. 160,000? 160?
Yes, sir. 65.
165. Okay. Very nice. PCV. So at Desmark today. I don't like that PCX. I do like the new Honda Click. The 160. I think it looks very, very nice. Got a whole range of different bikes and different products. I don't know what that man's doing. I have the red, I have the white. I prefer the white. There we go. So the reason I'm here is that somebody tried to break into my Honda Click, and they broke the seat and they damaged a lock. So it's in for an oil change somewhere down here, and a coolant and a new seat. So I'm going to get some wing mirrors as well, because mine have started to rust here. They take a pounding when you're on the road. The wing mirrors are okay, but this is just starting to rust, and these bar ends are starting to rust. So these are 78 peso and these are 300 peso. But you got the Honda Click 125. Looks very, very nice. I do enjoy it. I do like this this branch. Yeah, what somebody turned around and did was they put a bar in here. So my seat was down like that, and they put a bar in there and they wedged it up, so the seat is now like a big half moon shape, which is all that integral support frame that's in there has been broken. So when it goes down, this hits here rather than going inside, making it waterproof. But like with everybody in every country in the world, there are always dodgy characters. So you've got the XRMs. Look at that. Go for miles and miles and miles and miles and miles and miles on this. But yeah, so there's the ADV. Adjustable screen, 165,000 peso. Do I want to spend 165,000 peso? No. The 160 Click at 120, that's not bad really, because it's only 20,000 peso more than what I paid. Well, 26,000 peso more than what I paid for mine. It's got like a matte finish, matte white, matte red. Oh, look at that. It's the Galaxy of Lights 2023 SM. They got a grotto, they got a ball. It looks really, really nice. They got some snowing stars that are coming down through the lights. 65 years. Yes, the Langen Group or SM Group has been in operation. The Galaxy of Lights. Oh, Cinnabon. I'm going to go get myself a cup of coffee and an ice cream. The bike has been repaired. Cost me less than 2,000 peso, which is good. I also got my water, coolant and gearbox oil changed, which was 600 peso. Labour, need to take this into consideration around the rest of the world. Labour was 295 peso, less than £5, less than $7. Nearly 3 hours to check the bike and make sure the bike's working and there's no other damage that has been caused. Anyway, let's do the escalator of life, shall we? There we go. We're going up. Wow, look at that. Anyway, announcement yesterday from Manila International Airport. They're not going to be asking tourists or passengers to turn around and take off their shoes when they go through customs. For now, that is. But